Hello everyone, welcome to ForSeller. In this video, we will explain how to sync listing from Amazon store to Temu store. Go to the listing tab, choose the Amazon to Temu, and go to the publish section. Products under active, inactive, remove section can be synced to the Temu store by either import to shop or copy by shop. Take the active section as an example. If you just need to sync single listing, you can choose Import to Shops. Click Active button, you will see the list of products to be synced. Check the blank grid to select the items you want to move. Click Import to Shop button in the action bar or in the action column of the list. Check the store you want to move, and you can customize whether to synchronize the SKU mapping relations in the original store. Click Import button. After the green progress bar is loaded, it means the synchronization is successful. Click Next button to view the products that have been synced, and the corresponding jobs have been generated in the Temu job list. Click Edit in the action column of the list. You can match the product category and variant attributes of the synced goods. The information such as variant and picture will be brought in automatically. After matching, you will enter the adding page to add another unfilled field. Add or delete product information you want to change under Product Information, Variations, Photo and Video, Specifics, Description, Shipping, and Safety and Compliance section. Please note it, required fields are marked with a red asterisk. Click Save and Publish to Temu Store and complete the update. If you think it is too troublesome to edit the products one by one, you can use Draft Batch Edit function. Firstly, check the blank grid to select the products that you want to edit. Then, click the Bulk Edit button. If the listing not matching the category, you need to complete the category, but you can edit and publish them. After that, you could see the information including photo and video, product name, import destination, seller SKU, quantity, weight, dimensions, specifics, handling time, shipping template, and you can modify the information you want to edit. Finally, click Save button to finish your product's bulk adding and publishing. If you want to sync a whole Amazon listing to Temu store, you can choose Copy by Shop. Click Copy by Shop button. In the Copy From column, select the products that need to be synced in bulk according to the two types of active and inactive. In the Copy To column, select the target store platform and store name. Choose Copy or Skip to decide whether to skip the product, including delete product in this shop, which has already been copied to the target shop or not. Please note that customize whether to synchronize the SKU mapping relations in the original store. Click Import button, and then you can go to the Edit page. In here, you can add or delete the product information you want to change. Product information, variations, photo and video, specifics, description, shipping, and safety and compliance section, the same as the Import to Shops. This is the introduction of syncing the Amazon listing to Temu store. If you have any questions or suggestions for using that, please feel free to contact us. See you next time.